Hi, I'm looking for some New Year decorations.
Sure. What kind of decorations do you need?
Something simple for my living room.
These lights are popular this year.
Are they bright?
Yes, but not too strong.
That sounds good.
We also have banners and wall stickers.
I don't need too many things.
Then this set might be enough.
How much is it?
It's $15 for the set.
That's reasonable.
Would you like to add some balloons?
Maybe just a few.
These colors are good for New Year.
I'll take 5 balloons.
No problem.
Do you have table decorations as well?
Yes, right over here.
This one looks nice.
It's easy to set up.
Great, I'll take it.
Anything else?
No, that should be enough.
I'll ring these up for you.
Okay,
The total comes to $22.
here you go.
Happy New Year!
Hi, I'm looking for a New Year banner.
Sure, we have a few options here.
I want something simple.
This one says Happy New Year.
How long is it?
It's about 1.5 meters.
That should fit my wall.
Where do you plan to hang it?
In the living room, above the sofa.
Then this size is good.
Is it reusable?
Yes, you can use it next year too.
That's nice.
Do you prefer gold or red letters?
Gold would be better.
This one has gold letters.
Does it come with strings?
Yes, it's included.
Is it easy to hang up?
Very easy. You just tape or hook it.
Great. I don't want anything complicated.
This one should work well then.
How much is it?
It's $8.
It's reasonable.
Would you like to take it?
Yes, I'll take it.
I'll wrap it for you.
Thank you.
Happy New Year in advance.
Hi, I'm looking for hanging balloons for New Year.
Sure. Do you want them for indoor or outdoor use?
Indoor, in my living room.
These balloons work well indoors.
Are they easy to hang?
Yes, they come with strings.
Great. I'll take this set.
Good choice.
How many balloons are in this set?
10 pieces.
That should be enough.
By the way, our Tet gift sets are on sale today.
Really? What kind of gift sets?
Small gift boxes, good for family or neighbors.
I wasn't planning to buy gifts today.
A lot of customers add one at the last minute.
How much is the discount?
20% off.
That's not bad.
This one is quite popular.
It looks simple and neat.
And it's easy to carry.
I might get one for my parents.
That's a good idea.
Okay, I'll take one gift box too.
I'll add it to your order.
Thank you for telling me.
No problem at all.
That saves me another trip.
Happy New Year to you and your family.
Hi, I'm looking for something to wear for New Year.
Sure. Are you looking for something casual or dressy?
Something simple but still nice.
This section might be good for you.
I like neutral colors.
These tops are quite popular.
Is this easy to match with jeans?
Yes, it goes well with most jeans.
Can I try this on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
It feels comfortable.
It fits you well.
I don't want anything too tight.
This cut is relaxed.
How much is it?
It's on sale for New Year.
What's the discount?
20% off.
That's reasonable.
We also have matching pants if you're interested.
Let me take a look.
These are easy to wear and not too formal.
I think the top is enough for me.
No problem at all.
I'll take this one.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
I'll ring this up for you.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
This shop feels very cozy.
Thank you. Please take your time.
I'm looking for desk decorations.
For the new year,
Yes, I want something simple.
a work desk or a study desk?
A work desk at the office.
Then small items work best.
I don't want my desk to look crowded.
I understand. Simple looks clean.
These small plants look nice.
They're easy to take care of.
That's good. I'm quite busy.
Many office workers choose these.
What about this desk calendar?
It's very practical.
I like things that are useful.
Useful items last longer.
Do you have anything for good luck?
Yes, these small charms are popular.
I see many red items here.
Red is common for the new year.
I prefer soft colors.
Then wood or beige is better.
This pen holder looks nice.
It matches office desks well.
I think I'll take this plant in the calendar.
Good choice, very balanced.
My desk will feel fresher next year.
Small changes make a difference.
How much are these two items?
I'll give you a small discount.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
New Year shopping should feel nice.
I agree. It feels like a fresh start.
Do you need a gift bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go, all set.
I'll come back if I need more.
I'll be here. Happy New Year to you.